Hi there, it's Elaine. I'm standing here in my hometown of Windsor, Ontario, at the Detroit River. Detroit, Michigan. Motown is right behind me, and I'm excited because we're just about ready to start our annual Vanishing Act, which hasn't been annual for the last 3 years due to the pandemic. So very excited because we're adding on an autumn segment. We're going to be going to New York City, then Europe, and then we're going to head to Southeast Asia for the winter. So looking forward to it. We leave for New York City in 3 more sleeps. Airport in Detroit. There was something wrong with my special iPad that I can eye mask that I can heat up, put on at night for my eyes. It did. The guy said it looked terrifying.
Okay, it feels a little bizarre to be traveling after 2.5 years. This will be the first flight I have been on since April of 2020. Wow. So we're pretty excited. We're going to New York today. We've cleared security. We're at the gate and we can't wait. New York City, just like I pictured it. Tall buildings and skyscrapers and everything. Eat that apple. Is that an apple? It looks like a heart.